we're just gonna pretend this is my real hair. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys something a little bit different. I am bringing you a snake graphic eyeliner look today. I'm going to be testing out the Fenty Beauty eyeliners in this look as well to create this look, so stay tuned to see how that works out. I saw this artist right here create this snake look and I thought it was absolutely incredible. I definitely go show the artist some love. I will have them linked down below. This look might be great if you're into snakes or if you're trying to send a message of some sort. This might be the look for you. It's definitely a statement eye look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this graphic eyeliner snake look, then let's go ahead and jump right on into the tutorial. Hey guys, so to start off this tutorial, I'm going to take the Patchology moodpatch Down Time eye patches, claimed to be calming tea-infused aromatherapy eye gels, and sometimes when my skin's feeling a little dry or I know I'm going to be wearing a lot of makeup, I like to put on an eye patch like this and just add it to my under eyes to help depuff them, hydrate them, stuff like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and add these and we will move on to the next step. So now that these have been sitting for about 10 minutes, I'm going to take them off and we will proceed. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows. You guys know I usually use brow powder, but today I'm going to be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 2. I'm going to use hair-like strokes to go through the brows, fill in the sparse areas, give myself a little tail because naturally I don't really have one. And using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, I'm going to go ahead and clean up underneath the brows because after brushing through them, they become a little bit messy. So we're just going to clean those up real quick for a nice and clean look. And we're also going to use some of this concealer to set our eyes as a base. I love using concealers as a base. They really make the eyeshadow that you place on top of them pop, and they're just perfect for evening out any redness or weird colors on the eyelid. Now to start on the eyes, I'm going to take the Carli Bybel palette. I haven't used this palette in a long time, but there's a lot of great colors in here. I'm just going to keep the eye very neutral because we are going to be doing a more graphic liner. So I'm just going to add a few of the lightish brown shades to the crease just to define it a little bit and set down this base that we have going on right here. So I was scrolling for graphic liner inspiration on Instagram yesterday. I came across this one from an account by the name @ashren_. I'll have them linked down below and have them up on the screen right here so you guys can follow them. They created this super awesome snake eyeliner that I really want to try out. So that is where the inspiration for this eye look is coming today. So definitely check them out, show them some love for creating super awesome creative makeup looks. So I am going to attempt this snake look today. Fenty Beauty came out with new eyeliners and I figured that this would be the perfect look to try them out and see what their full potential can be. So I'm going to be using the white Fenty Beauty liquid liner to do this look today. I'm just going to go ahead and loosely sketch it out on my eye and try to create the same shapes that Ashren did and try and get that same snake look on my eye. I'm going to do my best, so let's just see how the Fenty Beauty eyeliner works out. So I'm going to wipe off a bit of the product from the Fenty Beauty brush just to get it super precise and tiny. I know with other white eyeliners that I have, they crack a lot, so I'm hoping that this one does not do that. And of course, if I make any mistakes, I know that I can just use concealer to clean it up. Watching this will probably help you more than me explaining it, so I'm just gonna kind of have you guys watch what shapes I'm drawing out and how I'm getting this snake look on my eye. So I'm just gonna turn on some music and try to get this snake eye look to work out for me. Alright, so this is pretty much how my version of the eyeliner came out using the white. I am pretty happy with it, although the white is a little bit patchy. You can kind of see my brush strokes if you look super close. I did try to layer it up and it's not cracking super bad, but a little bit. But that's just kind of common with white eyeliners. I can only imagine how hard they are to formulate. So this kind of happens with all the ones that I have, so this is just kind of a common theme with white eyeliners, so that doesn't bother me too much. So on the other eye, I think I'm just going to do more of a graphic eyeliner over here. I'm not going to do another snake. I just kind of want to keep this eye as the main focal point of the look. So on this eye, I will probably just do something graphic to also use the white eyeliner on this eye, just so they kind of go together. Alright, so we've got some graphic liner done over here to kind of mimic the look of this over here without doing another full snake on this eye. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So I am going to use a kind of lighter pair of falsies just so it doesn't cover up all the work that I did up here on my lids. I'm going to first darken my lashes and prep them for falsie using the Gradióse mascara by Lancome. For falsies today, I'm going to be using the Allura lashes by House of Lashes. These are some of my favorites. They're very dramatic but give you that nice flared out look. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my foundation for today. I'm going to be using the Lancome Teinte Idole Ultra Wear Foundation in the shade 140 Ivory. And again, using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, I'm just going to go ahead and conceal my under eyes, my forehead, nose, upper lip, and chin area. Basically anywhere that the light naturally hits or that I want to bring forward. That's where I'm going to add my concealer today. Born This Way is one of my favorites. It's super hydrating. You guys know this is kind of my go-to. And then using my Milk Makeup Face Powder, this is in the shade Translucent Lights. I'm going to go ahead and set any areas of my face that I'm scared will crease. Kind of want to keep a luminous look to the skin, so I'm not going to set everywhere, but I'm going to set my under eyes, smile lines, a little bit on my forehead, places like that I might get oily throughout the day. And I like to use more of a smaller packing brush, kind of like this. It's kind of like a mini foundation brush. So definitely when you're setting things on your face, pack it in to set in the layers underneath instead of swiping, which can take away concealer and foundation that you've put underneath that product. And then to finish off the eyes, I'm just going to dip back into my Carli Bybel palette and some of those browns that we used in the crease. I'm just going to put those on my lower lash line to kind of smoke it out a little bit and even out the lower lash line with the top lid area, because there's a lot going on right here and we don't want this area to seem like it was forgotten, you know? So just using kind of a fluffy brush, I'm just going to loosely blend some brown shades under here. And then using that same Lancome mascara, I'm going to coat my lower lashes, and that's it for the eyes. Hey guys, so this is me from the future editing this video, and I regret to inform you that unfortunately the footage of me putting on my contour, blush, and highlight got corrupted, so I do not have that to show you guys. Just kind of use whatever you would like for this look. I'll have the products that I use listed down below as always. I'm super bummed. I spent all last night trying to figure out how to recover this footage. I was debating paying for a $90 program to get back the clip, but ain't nobody got time for that or money for that, so just use your imagination of how I put on my contour and blush and all that. So we're just moving on to the lips. I'm using this red lip liner by Huda Beauty and a red liquid lipstick by Huda Beauty. No gloss today because we are living on the edge. So yeah, it's been real nice talking to you guys, and I hope that you are enjoying the tutorial so far. So we're just gonna stick with the matte red lip today. You could also pair this with a blue or a black lip, would actually be really cool. And lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using the ABH Dewy Set Setting Spray just to set all the powders into place and finish off the look. I think I might need earrings. Do I need earrings? I think that they kind of add something to it. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm actually super happy with how it turned out with the white eyeliner. I wasn't sure how the Fenty eyeliners would work, but I'm actually super impressed. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this look today. If you did, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to me for more makeup looks and other content as well. I'm always open to suggestions, so let me know down below what you guys want to see from me. So don't forget to turn on the bell so you are notified every time that I upload. Again, I think that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.